Clean surface above deck rail system from bulkhead to tailgate with alcohol pad on both sides. Then peel small segment of protective backing from D weather seal. Starting at rear of truck, align top of weather seal with top of box rail and adhere seal until bulkhead gap. At bulkhead gap, leave protective backing on and pull seal section through at downward angle. Once seal is in place, carefully peel protective backing without removing seal from gap. Trim excess weather seal. Align square holes in front and middle brackets with holes in side rail. Secure with bolts, flat washers, lock washers, and nuts. Then finger tighten. Align square slotted hole in rear bracket with hole in side rail and secure with bolt, flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Leave finger tight for now. Remove deck rail system plug at end of channel near tailgate. Remove tie downs from deck rail system by sliding towards opening near tailgate. Use socket with ratchet to remove 6mm bolt near tailgate and save for later. Next, slide brackets with carriage bolts into channel of deck rail system for front and middle brackets. Reinsert deck rail system plug. Then set side rail guide on top of box rail with carriage bolts aligned with front and middle brackets. Push side rail forward until rail touches front of box. Ensure side rail is level and secure front and middle brackets with serrated nuts. Then secure rear bracket to box with previously removed 6mm bolt. Now tighten bolt at rear bracket. Torque lower nuts on carriage bolts to 20 foot-pounds. Then torque upper nuts on carriage bolts to 10 foot-pounds. Finally, torque 6mm bolt at rear bracket to 8 foot-pounds. Repeat steps to install side rail on opposite side. For remaining cover installation, refer to standard instructions.